Welcome back to Blue Design Lab. In this video, we will learn how to create these complex mechanical parts in SolidWorks step by step. Hi everyone, I am Guru and today we are tackling exercise 40 from our engineering drawing series. And this is model looks tricky with its concentric cylinders, intersecting cutouts and angled waist, but I will break down into simple, easy to follow steps. So we sit with patience, and I will start from a sketch. So first you need to close this exercise and then we start from a sketch. Close this exercise and then we select a new part and then okay, you have to select any plane like top plane and then a sketch and go to a sketch tab and select center rectangle and draw it from origin and go to a smart dimension and make it 50 by 100 and then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 10 mm. You can see here, and direction this is blind and then okay, and select this face, sorry, select these corners and go to select entities and select chamfer, and this dimension is 10 mm and angle is 45 degree, and select this both corners and then okay, select this face and go to a sketch, take a corner rectangle, go to smart dimension and make this both dimension difference here 5 mm. And this dimension is 10 mm. This is 60 mm. This is 10 mm. And go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 40 mm and then okay, and select this face and go to a sketch and create a rectangle, sorry, circle at this midpoint and make this 25 mm diameter, and then go to features tab and select extrude cut and cut it through all, and then okay, select this face and go to a sketch and create a circle at this midpoint, go to a smart dimension and measure it to 50 mm. Go to line and select line here, draw a line from here to here and then okay, select this edge and go to convert entities and convert it, and then after go to trim entities and select trim to closest and trim this all outer parts, and then okay, go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 40 mm, sorry, 15 mm, and then okay. You can also mirror it this feature from mirror tab, select mirror and faces to mirror, select front plane and then features to mirror, select boss extrude and then okay. For its appearance, go to appearance tab and select any color you have put it, then okay, select this face and go to appearance tab and select any color, then okay, select this face and go to appearance tab and select any color, and then after go to appearance tab and select any color to color it from whole and then select okay, And that's wrap exercise 40 from our SolidWorks modeling series. And if this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Good Design Lab, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about these dimensions. I am Guru, and keep practicing, and see you in the next video. Thank you guys.